Another windless, long night, day transition trying to get to the Canaries. Gracie's on watch. Came in about 7 this morning. It's probably about 8 now. David and Morrow took the hard shift last night from 12:30 to 7. So a few robes. This is the culprit. Or that's for the leftovers anyway. But the traveler. We're 3 days out from Africa, from Morocco. Last night it was good. We're getting 6, 7, 8 knots. Doing pretty good. A nice long downwind run. Downwind, downwind. Sails out, rolling along. It's nice. What kind of music are you going to add to this, Trace? You're the filmmaker.
Okay, so then I'm just going to put some cool soundscape music to help enliven the soundscape scenes as a film, looking out to sea, something that fits, something electronic.
Should I make a tune on my guitar?
We could record the captain's evening serenades on his Fender, black Fender.
Is that a Fender?
Yeah, it's got a Fender.
I didn't know it was a Fender.
It's a black Fender. I thought that's why you bought it.
No, I bought it because it was $100.
Well,
and
it's
it was
a
available
Fender.
in Greece
It's a
where I was.
Fender. He did just some nice ditties on there. It would be cool at some point to record those.
So, what do you think about the trip overall? 18 days.
What a journey, what a journey. We started in Ibiza on the 21st, and we've had Christmas, we've had New Year, we've had summer solstice, days at sea with nothing, no land, nothing, but we have had dolphins. So this really, really kind of takes you out of your everyday life and you start looking at things in a completely different way.
How do you see things different?
You lose all track of time. Time, dates, days of the week, like, you don't know. It's just we're moving, we're on a journey and we're experiencing whatever's happening at the time. Very much in the here and now.
How is the food here?
But on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been great. I mean, we buy vegetables and we cook what we feel like. We've got a great oven, so we can put things in the oven and put stuff on the stove. Everybody mucks in, everybody creates what they like to eat. Just another day.
Well, the boy is entertaining.
Very much team spirit.
What was your favorite dish so far?
Ooh, okay.
Honest?
Captain made a lasagna, fresh, beautiful courgettes from Morocco, and a very nice sauce, tomatoey sauce with just enough spice. It was really good. Yeah, that was my favourite so far.
What you making, Trace?
We're making a butternut squash and courgette soup. And also sweet potato fries to go with it. So the sweet potatoes.
Tomorrow's on fry detail.
Yeah, they're going to be wedges that we'll have with mayonnaise.
Yum.
Yeah.
What do you want?
I'm happy to be here because it was the goal to get down here.
Right, the first day though.
Yeah.
It's a big departure from the first day, huh?
Yeah.
Yay!
Pretty much. It's a long distance ride.
Yeah, I have the conditions, you know. We got 69.4 degrees water. Morocco, Canaries. I am all for bleach. Bleach for everything.
No, on the canvas bit.
Up above, yeah.
It's deep in
Cleaning day. We landed in, what's the name of this town? Arrecife. Lanzarote. Beautiful boats all around us. Sense is looking good though. Just need to clean the top half of the dinghy and then we'll be done.
The bike is in the water. Woo!
It's clean.
Success!
Take a hose and get every bit of salt off that fucker. You gotta open it up.
That took less than 1 minute. That took less than 1 minute. Woo! That took less than 1 minute. Is the captain unhappy now? What happened?
Wind blew it into the water.
This is what happens. Ungrateful. Well, there you go. This is the kind of thing that happens, isn't it?
Final action.
How does it feel to be on land, well, at least in the harbour, after 50 hours coming from Essaouira?
I like the water very much, but I'm glad or happy,
Yeah.
you know, now or to reach Canary Islands.
How does it feel compared to being in Morocco?
It's about a new chapter. Yeah, feels good.
It's
Yeah.
very different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're in Lanzarote and it's our first night out, our dinner.
We're having estrella.
Yeah, no you're
It's
not.
right.
Well, sort of. What do you call that spoofy drink you made?
Shandy.
A shandy. She's not she destroyed the Estrella with lemon juice. A shandy, but look at this thing. That's prawns and garlic. Simmered in butter and garlic. Oh, we need the bread. That's that thing.
We took
Okay. Sorry.
50 hours to get here
Yeah.
from
Sliding across the water.
Essaouira. It's like,
Essaouira.
we got some really good wind actually.
Yeah.
Super good wind. We had the engine on for quite a while.
Yeah.
And it was a long journey though, I think.
Yeah, it was good. It's a good trip. But right now, I'm gonna inhale these freaking prawns. It looks good. Wow. So these are canary potatoes. A couple of chunks of tuna. Which is nice. And some salad.
Some salad. Great.
It's enough for everybody.
Oh.
Patatas
is goed, oké.
Oh, with patata.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So 84 foot, 1924. I guess it's two masts. I'm not sure what kind of boat it is or who makes it, but $6 million sailing thing. Jesus.
Industrial.
Really?
Yeah, because the harbour's being, yeah, they're just building, but they've been building this since 2016, so I don't know when it's going to end.
What about the Essaouira? Can you get inside?
This is the Adventurous. It's a 1921 schooner, originally built in Delaware, and it sailed pretty much all of its life. Actually, a man from Argentina bought it about 6 years ago and has done a full restoration on the order of about $6 million. I'm just going to put this on fast forward and show you around. You can look this up on YouTube as well. It's The Adventurous, and I think it's about 100 feet long. And just amazing detail everywhere. It's like, it's a wooden ship you wouldn't believe. Look, it's got a cast iron stove in there, marble surrounds, pictures of the boat sailing, marble tops in the kitchen. It sleeps about 8. It takes all of the crew to sail it. Beautiful woodworking everywhere, inlaid floors, Turkish rugs, fine cabinetry. Everything was built, and it was all to original standards when they did the rebuild. The captain's quarters back here. At this time, what I'm doing is a virtual photo walk, and it's a charity that I perform about once a week. Look up virtualphotowalks.org, and please contribute on Patreon. The viewers are people who are otherwise unable to leave hospital beds and rooms and who are constrained. So it's a great thing to do. So as I sail around the world, I share my adventures directly with them. We use Zoom. They can see me. They can talk to me as I'm going through and ask questions. It's a beautiful thing. So this is actually just a video of me doing the virtual photo walk it would take way too long to throw it all in here, so I just put it in fast forward. So I enjoy it.